So now let's see how we can work around with the notification settings inside of Notion. So to actually go ahead and work around with the notification settings, you need to go around onto your profile right here and then go around on the settings. So once you go around over here, you can see that notifications is an option, and here you can see that it says receive push notifications on mentions and comments via your mobile app. So if you have the Notion mobile app installed, then you will get notification if you were to turn it off. So if you have integrated Notion with Slack, then you can also go ahead and add a Slack account right here just like this and get notification in Slack as well. So you can see that you can connect it out to Slack as well. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and get email notifications about activity in your workspace right here. And as you enable it, you also have sub options like always send email notifications, or you can turn it off for Paze, updates, or workspace digest right here as well, or you can turn it off altogether as well. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can receive Paze, updates, and so forth, and you can also get announcements and updates emails, which you can go ahead and manage settings for it as well. So you can see that you get to the new piece for that right here just like this for the preference, and you can enable and disable the digest emails, and you can unsubscribe to all as well if you want to as well, and change the preferences just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the notification settings inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.